In the world of modern crafting, where speed and precision often take center stage, the subtle but profound impact of natural materials, especially wood, remains a cornerstone of authenticity, beauty, and emotional resonance. Among all the stages of a woodworking project, the finish is the quiet crescendo. It is where the rawness is tamed, where grain is revealed, where stories begin to speak through surfaces. The visibility of the warmth of natural materials in the finishing process is more than a technical detail. It is the moment when crafted pieces move from functional to memorable. It's where modern craftsmanship meets timeless soul. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of the woodworking project design ideas that finished with natural material. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The finish of any woodworking project is its final voice. It's the last gesture, the brushstroke, the breath that animates the structure. But when this finish honors the natural warmth of the wood, its tone, its texture, its subtle imperfections, it transcends mere function. In the age of engineered materials and artificial surfaces, there is something deeply grounding about running your hand across a piece of wood that has been respectfully finished, where the natural character of the material is celebrated rather than covered up. The warmth of natural materials, especially wood, lies in their origin. Wood has grown, aged, and endured. It has weathered seasons and storms, and it carries with it a kind of memory. When a craftsperson takes the time to finish a piece in a way that enhances rather than hides these qualities, that memory becomes visible. The knots are not flaws, they are fingerprints. The grain is not a pattern, it is a path. A finish that amplifies these elements, whether through oils, waxes, or natural stains, becomes a whisper of the forest inside the home. In modern crafting, this visibility of warmth is essential for differentiation. As markets become saturated with mass-produced, plasticized decor, the tactile honesty of natural wood becomes increasingly desirable. Consumers are no longer simply looking for things, they are searching for experiences, textures, meaning. A dining table that gleams with the soft sheen of hand-rubbed oil invites more than dinner. It invites touch, conversation, connection. A shelf finished with beeswax doesn't just hold books, it holds character. It breathes. It changes slightly with time and use, which only adds to its charm. Modern woodworking techniques allow for speed and efficiency, but the finish remains one of the most human parts of the process. It requires patience. It cannot be rushed without losing its integrity. And in that slowness, the maker connects with the material in a final, quiet conversation. Applying the finish by hand, feeling the surface respond, noticing how the color deepens and the grain emerges. This is the craft within the craft. It is where artistry and labor intersect. Choosing to reveal the warmth of wood rather than mask it is also a decision rooted in aesthetic philosophy. It aligns with minimalist and Scandinavian design principles that value simplicity, texture, and honesty in materials. But it also fits beautifully with more bohemian, rustic, or industrial styles. The universal appeal of wood's warmth lies in its versatility. Whether it is soft pine or bold walnut, when treated with reverence in the final stages, the wood becomes not just material, but presence. There is also an emotional and psychological resonance to this kind of finish. Humans are hardwired to respond to natural materials. Studies in biophilic design confirm that environments rich in natural textures promote calm, focus, and a sense of well-being. In this light, a well-finished wooden coffee table is not just decor, it's therapy. A headboard that glows softly from a natural oil finish becomes a nightly retreat from the chaos of modern life. The visibility of natural warmth brings comfort not only visually but emotionally. It roots us quietly. From a commercial standpoint, the choice to use natural finishes and honor the material's warmth is also a smart business move. In an eco-conscious market, buyers appreciate transparency, literally and figuratively. They want to see the wood. They want to know it hasn't been masked by heavy lacquers or artificial colors. This visibility becomes part of the value. Artisans who use linseed oil, tung oil, or natural waxes aren't just offering a product. They're offering a process, a principle, a proof of care. And this care is visible in the final piece. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Craft fairs, online platforms, and boutique design markets often showcase pieces finished this way because they stand out. They catch light differently. They photograph beautifully. They age with grace, acquiring a patina that further enhances their value. And because each piece of wood is different, each finish reveals something new. This unpredictability is not a flaw, it's a feature. For the modern consumer, it means no two items are ever truly alike. In a world of sameness, that is a powerful selling point. Moreover, finishing wood with natural materials ensures that the crafting process remains sustainable and safe, not only for the maker, but for the home. VOC-free oils and waxes don't off-gas harmful chemicals. They're gentle on skin. They don't peel or crack like synthetic coatings. They allow the wood to breathe. This alignment with health and sustainability matters to today's audience, who are increasingly mindful of what they bring into their living spaces. But perhaps the most powerful reason to embrace the warmth of natural finishes in woodworking is what it says about intention. In a world of shortcuts and templates, choosing to finish a piece with care is a radical act. It says, "This piece matters. This wood matters. This process matters." And it shows. In the glow of a table leg, in the way the light catches the edge of a frame, in the smoothness under a fingertip. It's all visible, and it all tells the story of craftsmanship done with heart. In the visibility of natural warmth in finishing woodworking projects is not merely about polish or sheen. It is about presence, purpose, and connection. It is what transforms wood from a commodity into a companion. For the modern craftsman and the modern homeowner alike, this visibility is a reminder that beauty need not be loud and value need not be flashy. Sometimes, it is the quiet gleam of oak beneath beeswax, the way walnut darkens in sunlight, the texture of hand-sanded edges. This is where the soul of woodworking lives, in the finish and in the warmth that makes each piece not just seen but felt. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked woodworking project design ideas that finished with natural material. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.